Hello, intrepid explorers. Welcome to the captivating world of Iran walking tour, where every step leads to a new adventure and every corner reveals a hidden gem. Today, we set foot in the heart of Iran, a country steeped in poetry, culture, and history. Join us as we meander through the enchanting streets and bask in the beauty of this ancient land. Prepare to be spellbound by the rich tapestry of sights and sounds that awake you. So grab your walking shoes, and let's embark on a journey like no other. Remember to hit that like button, share with your fellow wanderers, and subscribe for more mesmerizing escapades. Let's dive in and uncover the wonders of Iran together. Today, we have come to the west of Mashhad city and the Dangu boulevard. This neighborhood is located in the 11th district of Mashhad city. It might be interesting for you to know that this neighborhood is not very old and construction started in less than 30 years, and also this neighborhood was separate from Mashhad city 30 years ago, and over time due to the day-by-day progress of the city, and it is located in the heart of Mashhad. In this neighborhood, where people with good financial status live, all amenities and daily needs are met, and it is a complete and busy neighborhood. The Dangu neighborhood has several parks and large luxury shopping centers in its heart. We hope you enjoy watching it.